going down a gravel road, unknown length.
We're gonna die!
You gotta like shift the camera too.
Oh, you're not gonna die? No. I'm enjoying myself.
He's all.
So this is the campsite we drove to through something like 14 miles of bumpy, super bumpy gravel road. This RV. It was a terrible, terrible trip. Oh my goodness. We have to repeat it again tomorrow. But at least we're here at Dolly Varden Lake, I think it's called. Really pretty views. It's a neat dinner now. How was the trip, Faith?
Fun.
What you doing, Dad? It's very peaceful, calm, quiet, unlike the Kenai. It's really pretty.
Watch the bobber. Come on, buddy.
Oh my goodness.
You think Calvin will go after him? Let me see. I'll go get him.
Don't. Hey, Dad, you're getting the top part. We don't get the top part wet.
I got a stick. I'm gonna break your nose.
Hey, Calvin.
Look, there's Daddy.
Hey, buddy.
I think he wants to see.
There's Daddy.
Hey, buddy. Calvin.
Where's he
Calvin.
going?
I think he saw me.
Calvin.
Hey, buddy. Hi. Okay. The girls are rafting early in the morning. Saturday. They're trying to get on land. You're almost there. Come on. You almost got it.
Yeah, keep paddling.
Straight ahead.
Grab that, Ray.
Grab it.
Grab it.
Rachel, go paddle.
No, just.
Hurry up.
They're gonna go plop.
Oh,
Wanna
no
take
more
Calvin
battery.
out of there?
No. Whose turn next? Auntie Chris?
Time is racing toward us till the Huns arrive. Heed my every order, and you might survive. You're not suited for the rage of war, so pack up, go home, you're through. I make a man out of you. FOMO. All right, you gotta get to the good part, Calvin. Come on, Calvin.
Yes, I'm part of it. I think I saw it. Oh, I should have done.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Calvin!
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Oh, no!
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Oh, good boy.
Sexy lady.
Oh, here's the sexy lady part.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
On the way to Seward. Calvin at the beach in Alaska. In Seward. He's not sure what to make of all this. Hi, Bear. Bear, bear, bear.
Take a break. 5 minutes to the hike. Hey, bear, hey, bear.
Walking into the exit glacier. This is where the glacier used to be in 1961. Wow, it's gone a long ways back. My goodness, these mosquitoes are killer. They're everywhere. I've never been in such a place where they're swarming. Oh my gosh. Go away! No, I mean, at least it's a really pretty view. But seriously, look at all those mosquitoes flying in front of the camera. So gross. Ah! Here we are at Exit Glacier. It's receded a lot since we last been here. It's going all the way over these rocks on the other side. Within 15 years, it's gone back that much. Pretty crazy.
No, it was. Remember the trail we were walking up? Where like 1961? It was right there.
My name is Marius Pontessi.
Alright. Good stuff.
Left, right, left. Huh? What are you doing? Hey bear, hey bear, hey bear. It's our last night of camping here at Summit Lake. Pretty nice campground right by good sized lake. We're gonna go trout fishing here in a little bit.
He opened the closet. I was like, "Mom!" She's like, "What?" I was like, "There's a monkey in the closet." She's like, "What?" I was like, "Get out of here!"
Here we are outside the Portage Glacier Lake or area visitor center, not sure.